Hey y'all, it's your girl KturaKay and I am back with some fresh content for y'all. So I am going to be doing a video using all new products. I'm going to be trying out that Urban Decay all-nighter foundation. Y'all gonna see how I feel about that. I'm also going to be using one of the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes, and they're really small. This is one of them right here. I'm going to be using one of these palettes on my eye look. Just that one palette. Not mixing and dipping and dipping and dipping. None of that. This is going to be this one palette. And these palettes are really, really convenient. They come in handy. They're super small. Like literally, it's like the size of my hand almost. So you can pack it up anywhere. Literally put it in your back pocket if you wanted to. And have it on hand. Have it on deck, you know? So I love those. I did get all of the colors. They have 4 different palettes, I believe, like 4 different tones. So I don't want to keep rambling. I just want to get onto the video so y'all can see how to do this, you know? Like seriously, I don't even have on any earrings. Like I was that hype about getting this up for y'all. Like, I'm just ready. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. And if you want to see a tutorial on my hair, I have a video already here on my channel, so I'll link that down below. Without further ado, let's get started. And I'm gonna go put some earrings on, you know, so yeah. So I'm starting with the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, and I'm using my double-sided Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I love using this brush because it's so convenient. Literally, you just use one brush that has the double sides. And I'm taking this nice pretty color and I'm packing it on my lid. And it has a nice little shimmer to it. So here's a close-up of me packing it on my eyelid. My eyelids were already primed with my MAC Cosmetics primer. And it's their paint pot. And so I'm just packing that on top of that paint pot. And now I'm taking my fingers because I found that it actually went on better with your fingers because it has that nice shimmer glow to it. So yeah, it actually was more pigmented when I applied with my fingers. So I'm just patting that on. And now I'm taking my brush and I am going in my outer crease, and you see how easy it was to use this brush. Just flip it around to the other side, and I'm just deepening out my crease, just making a more defined look. And I'm mixing 2 colors from this palette, and I'm taking this really pretty pink color and I'm placing that in the outer corner, like towards the middle area, and just making a nice shape there, giving it more of an ombre effect. So now I'm taking my Super Cat liner, and I did my liner off camera. It just took too long. Y'all have seen me do my liner before, but that liner pencil works amazing. It's really nice and slim. And now I'm taking my Urban Decay foundation, and this foundation is really matte, you guys. Like at first I didn't know how I felt about it. I put it on one day before and I was like, I really did not like it by itself. So I definitely had to mix it. I mixed it with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and now I'm taking my black opal stick and I am contouring my face with that and blending everything out with my beauty blender. So now I'm taking my Sacha Buttercup powder and I am setting my under eye concealer, and I am taking some mascara, and this is my mascara by Lancome, and it's my favorite. And I'm going in on my bottom lashes as well. And for concealer, I use my NARS concealer for this look, like I always do. And I am loving this mascara, as you can see. So now I'm taking a really cheap lip liner that I bought from the hair store, and it's a nice pretty brown color. It kind of reminds you of Chestnut a little bit from MAC Cosmetics. And I just have this as my go-to. And I'm taking a Wet n Wild lipstick, and I'm placing that, it's their nude color. And I'm placing that in the center and blending it out. Now I'm taking my Buxom lip gloss and placing that on my lips. And this is a nice plumping lip gloss. I love Buxom. I have fallen in love. Like seriously, they have so many nice pretty colors with like shimmer in it. So I love them. So now I'm using my Born to Glow by NYX. And this is their new highlighter palette. And I'm taking my brush and I am placing that on my cheeks. And this brush is by Artis. And now I'm taking my black eyeliner. And I really like this pencil because it's really slender. Kind of reminds me of a spiked brow pencil by MAC Cosmetics. So I'm just taking that and defining my lower lash line. So I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. I can't wait to show you all some more videos. I get so excited when I come on here. Like, I've literally, like I said in my last video or whatever, like I've literally been posting like pre-recorded videos because I've had so much going on. Like, so, you know, like I didn't want to leave y'all hanging. I refused to leave y'all hanging like I did before when I got into my car wreck and stuff like that. So no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am, no sir, I will not do y'all like that again. So hopefully y'all start watching, you know, my videos more. Like I said, I hope you all enjoy my content and let me know what you all want to see. Like, seriously, I know everyone says that in all their videos, like, let me know what y'all want to see. Like, I'm dead serious. Like, let me know what y'all want to see so I can know what my subscribers like, you know, because I don't want to post a video and then that's like, none of my subscribers watched it because they weren't interested. Like, let me know what you all are interested in and yeah, we can work something out, you know. So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned. I have a giveaway coming up really soon. So hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye. So y'all, I'm just so hyped. Like, I don't know why I'm always so hyped. But I'm going to be doing a video on some new products that I purchased.